Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, also known as Mindset and Mascara. And in today's video, we are doing a fill. Oh boy. I thought it'd be a little bit easier to do a fill on these. These are 2 weeks old. They didn't grow out very much. I'm not sure why. Maybe my nails are just growing slow right now. But they didn't grow out too much, so I was like, okay, well, why don't I just do a fill and try and just do another, dear Lord, Maria, just do another set kind of, or just do another design. I cannot speak today. I am still in my little funk, but I wanted to get these videos up, and I am going to record tomorrow. I just kind of took a couple of days off because, oh, some days are hard. Anyway, but what's funny is it took longer to do this than to just clip them and soak them off and redo them. I think and I hope that I will be going a lot faster whenever I am in school and I start learning. But as of right now, I am so slow, and it took me well over a couple of hours to do just one hand. And that's why if you see me in my later videos, which probably the one Friday, you'll see that I have 2 different sets. Now my other hand, my left hand, is growing out now, and so I'm gonna need to give that a fill. But I do have, I'm going to show you a couple things whenever they come up. Just right now you're looking at me kind of chipping away at the nail. But coming up, I think I'm going to have another one with my daughter. She wants me to do kind of like a Thanksgiving set for her. And then the rest, I'm going to use my practice hand because I did buy some acrylics, and I also bought some dip stuff. Well, it's the not polish acrylics. They're 2-in-1. You can use them as dip or with monomer. So I got those, and I want to start practicing on my acrylics. So I am going to be using my practice hand more. I want to give my nails a break because, I know a lot of these nail tubers do just kind of like put a removable base on their hand, but I don't, because I really like having my nails, especially since I do makeup and all of that too. I like having my nails. So I'm about to show you right coming up here that I zoomed in. See, it is lifting. If you can see the kind of white area, I have some lifting there, and I had some lifting on my pinky as well. And what I'm doing to get rid of those is I am just going like right on the edge. Sorry, I didn't turn my phone off. I'm just going like right on the edge where and I slowed this one down a little, or put this one to where it's normal speed because I want to show you kind of what's going on here. And I don't know why I've like stopped in the middle of this, and I thought I cut this chunk out, but I guess I did not. Okay, Maria. Anyway, so as I was saying, I just go around the edge of the nail. You know what? I think I'm just gonna I don't know why I didn't delete that portion. Sorry. Anyway, I just go on the edge around where it is lifting, and it just, if you see, it'll just kind of fall off. I'm not going on my natural nail with this bit. That could really cause some damage because this is an extra coarse bit that I'm using to kind of remove all of this stuff. And now I'm just kind of prepping everything and doing the fill. Now I did go lower on the pinky and the ring finger. Okay, yeah, I'm just putting the two. Anyway, I'm sorry. You can tell I'm a little off today. I did go a little bit deeper on the pinky and the ring finger, mainly because it was lifting and I didn't want to leave it like that, because if you leave it like that, you can get water and crap in it and you can cause any, fungus to grow and all of that. So I try really hard to keep my nails healthy. So this is I'm just doing the fill. I'm putting it where where it needs to be filled. And then I am kind of bringing it up like a really thin layer up to, the rest of the nail. Wow. You're going to hear me apologize a lot. I really am sorry. Anyway, I am going fast through these because usually a lot of people just kind of want to see what I do as far as art, but you've seen me do this a million times. I'm just filling it and then going on the edge with just a really, really, really thin layer of polygel. And I think I only show you these three. No, I'll show you all of them. I don't know how I got some of this stuff stuck in there. I really don't know, but I'm sorry. Not this, but the one part where I was just holding my drill. I don't know what I was doing there. Probably paying attention to the TV because I was watching 13 Reasons Why, season 3. Okay, so since I could not do, since I could not I didn't take this nail, the pinky nail, entirely off, I went ahead and just covered it with glitter. This is a glitter from ColourPop that ColourPop no longer sells, which kind of sucks because it is very, very pretty. And then here you're kind of seeing me just put the glitter on. And now I did put it in the lamp for 30 seconds and then I put the top coat on. After that, I put another top coat on. I don't think I showed the second top coat. And now it's just kind of, yeah. Oh no, I do. I showed the second top coat. So I did put 2 top coats on. And like I said in the last video, the first one, this is a more fine glitter, so it wouldn't really be too bad, but I put the first one kind of soaks up into the glitter, and then the second one it puts a nice smooth surface. And then here I am putting a lot of resin, jewel resin, because this is going to be an entire jewel nail. I'm using rhinestones. I did not use Swarovskis because I don't have the bigger Swarovski crystals. I need to place a bulk order for those, but right now I'm just using the plain rhinestones with the foil back, and I'm fixing to kind of speed it up. I'm just speeding it up 2 times because I don't want to waste too much time showing the rhinestones, but you will get the gist of what I do. I put the larger rhinestones in the middle, down the center. Yeah, I make mistakes too. Anyway, I put the larger rhinestones down the center, and then I kind of surround it and kind of fill in the holes with the smaller rhinestones. It just makes it so that it's not as, you don't see a whole lot of space in there. Now, what people normally do is put like a glitter base on the bottom, and I didn't have any glitter polygel. or I would have used that to put that base down. So, yeah, I just put it on this, but I honestly think it turned out really well. See, I keep on dropping my crystals. It's not even funny. But I think it turned out really well in the end portion of it. I really need to do my other hand. I need to find, okay. Oh, you're just seeing me. Do y'all want to see an entire set of crystals? I want to buy some Swarovski crystals and just do an entire set of crystals. I don't know why. I just think that it would be so much fun to do. And just kind of do different shapes and kind of fill everything in. I think it'll be fun. We'll see. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. But if I get enough people telling me yes, then I'll do it. But I've got to buy my crystals first, so it'll be a little bit. Also, if you have any suggestions of ones to do, of types of stuff to do, like nail designs or whatever, let me know. I'd be happy to do them, or at least try them, because know that I am a beginner. So I am not great. I'm not great at all. I am learning, but it takes practice to master a craft. You never stop learning. And I'm sorry, let me turn my phone off. Okay. I turned my phone off. Sorry for the silence. I really need to put some kind of background music on here. I just don't like any of the music that comes with this editing software. So I should have 4 times speed this. I didn't think that it was going to take that long. When I edit, okay, let me tell y'all, and this is why sometimes I miss some things. When I do edit, I kind of run through it and then pull the parts that I really don't need and then do transitions and stuff. With nails, I really need to take a little bit more time to doing this. Okay, this is the Kiara Sky color base in Hush Hush. It's a color base. It's thinner, so I went ahead and did like 3 coats, and I really probably could have done 4, but the 3 coats seemed to work. I don't know if I show all 3 coats on here, but if you can, no, I don't, because I'm showing the second coat right now. But if you see, that's the first coat on them, and or is that the second coat? I don't know. They are very, very, it's a very, very thin formula, so it's kind of see-through, and I think it was made to be that way. Not quite sure, but I do love Kiara Sky. I'm going to look into Madame Glam too. I'm in their VIP program, so I kind of want to buy a few of their stuff too, because they have some really good colors as well. I'm trying to figure out what I want to have in my salon and then just start stocking up now, because it's a lot easier than to buy everything all at once. So yeah, and part of me thinks I just need to get the base colors and the base acrylic and then a few dip colors and just kind of start out with that. And I'm sorry, this is kind of not even kind of, this is way out of screen. Anyway, so then I cure that. Now I'm putting a large dot of the gem resin, because I had these silver and gold, and I don't like gold, guys. I do not like gold. So anytime you see me wearing anything, it will always be silver. I will do stuff with gold, but it won't be on me. Anyway, so I got these little charms off of, not eBay, off of Amazon, and I've been wanting to use them because I got them a long time ago, and I never used them. And now that I'm trying to get into doing the rhinestones and charms and doing the different kind of designs, I want to use more things like this. So I just took this little arrow. It's really cute. I want to get some more charms. And then on the sides of that, I put a couple of blue rhinestones. Yes, blue rhinestones. Just because I didn't want to just do the clear rhinestones. So I took a couple of blue ones, put it on the side of it, on either side of the charm. And yes, it took me a while to pick out what color I wanted to use. So you see my big hand there. And then I took the crystal rhinestones, and since the arrow is right there, I just put it like trailing up to the tip of my middle finger with the clear rhinestones. There we go. I used a different kind of rhinestones on these. I think I liked... No, they look about the same. I bought those at a different, I bought these ones at Be Me Beauty Box, and they look the same. And these were more expensive. And these are not Swarovskis. So, I'll get my rhinestones off of Amazon, and I'll just try to try to get more Swarovskis. So that's the one that looks like. And then, okay. See my thumb? I tried to do an ombre with the glitter, and it did not work. I had so much problems with my thumb because I tried to use the tape, the nail tape, and that didn't work. And so I just tried to do an ombre glitter, and that didn't work. So it looks like crap. So please ignore the thumb. And in this one, I just decided to do cuticle crystals, and I did the blue cuticle crystals on there. And that is the set. I really like even though I didn't know what I was going to do going into this, and like my makeup looks, I never know what I'm going to do going into this. I just sometimes have like a generalized idea of what I want to do, and then it kind of forms from there. This one, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just grabbed stuff and started using it. And sometimes the best ones come out like that. But, you know, like I said, I'm learning. You're going to make mistakes. I'm going to make mistakes. Everybody's going to make mistakes. I want you guys to know that it is completely normal. Don't beat yourself up about it, and just keep on practicing. So now I am taking the cuticle oil and putting the cuticle oil on my cuticles. And this is the finished look. So I know this was an odd video. I am a little off. I'm really, really sorry. I promise to get better. But if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the thumbs up. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the family. Don't use this video as an expectation of how I am in my videos. I am a lot more animated, but it's just been a hard week. So getting close to the holidays, it's going to be this year. So yeah, that's the way they look like. Have any suggestions? Let me know. I will be happy to try them out. I love you guys. Until the next video. Bye.